Bodine Electric is the leading designer and manufacturer of fractional horsepower electric gear motors in North America.
Bodine Electric is a family business. We were founded by two brothers in 1905, and today we're over 110 years old.
We serve a wide variety of industries that really depend on long life, durability, and reliability.
Manufacturing operations for Bodine Electric consist of primarily two facilities. One facility in Suzhou, China, and our main manufacturing facility here in Peosta, Iowa, just outside of Dubuque. Peosta, Iowa facility manufactures all the components for the motors, the main rotation components, the structural machining components, the gearing components.
We bring the raw material in forms of bar stock and castings. It gets loaded into a bar feeder, gets cut to the correct lengths. We machine all the special features that the customer is requesting. From there, we also hob pinions onto the shaft, in addition to heat treating shafts in-house. In the gearing department, we bring in bar stock. It's cut to the correct dimensions, turned to the correct size. From there, we will hob the teeth onto the gears. We also make the pinions in the gearing department. From there, we have vacuum carburizing heat treat in-house. We did that to shorten the lead time to give the customer the product at a quicker rate.
The process works by we'll put the gears in, heat up to roughly 1700 degrees Fahrenheit. We'll let the gears soak there, and then we inject acetylene as a carburizing gas, and we're able to get a very precise and uniform case hardness on the gears. We then quench at 18 bar, which is roughly 260 psi. Almost do that instantaneously so we can retain the hardness in there.
For the assembly cells, we take the armatures from the component areas. We'll wind them, go through the winding, fusing, varnishing process, turning the commutators, balancing, and pressing bearings. They'll manufacture the motors. After the electrical portion of the motor is built, it goes to the gearing area, where the gearing arrangement will be put into place. We do add the lube at that station. We have O-rings and seals that we put in to ensure that we have a long-lasting, reliable gear motor. The motor will then go into final test, do all the quality checks, test them 100% for all performance-related aspects. From there, it goes directly into the final assembly. We don't inventory in between the processes. We actually build it right into the motor at that point in time. It's part of our strategy to have cellular manufacturing and quick response, demand-driven manufacturing principles. From there, go to packaging and the finished goods warehouse or directly to a customer.
Our corporate mission is to be the essential choice that drives our customer success.
We currently purchase from Motion bearings. These bearings go into our machines. We can count on Motion to provide the bearings in a timely manner to keep production going, as well as items that actually go into our motors. Retaining rings, greases, lubricants. When we run out of something unexpectedly, I can contact a Motion rep and they'll next day air it to Bodine and we can get the motor out on time.